Examples. Which one of the following are connected subsets of R square? R square. Okay. Number one, any line or any straight line in R. Any line. So every line is subset of R square, right? Number two, x comma y such that x square plus y square equal to 1. And number three, it is S1 and answer. So A1 and this is A1 equal to this one A2, where A2 is equal to x comma y such that x is greater than or equal to 1 and y is 0. And number 4, A3 equal to x comma y such that y is equal to sine 1 by x. Y is equal to sine 1 by x. And number 5, A4 equal to x comma y such that mod x less than or equal to 1 and mod y less than or equal to 2. And number 6, A5, which is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to plus or minus x. And number 7, A6, which is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. దీంట్లోనే y is less than or equal to x square, y is greater than or equal to x square కూడా రాయొచ్చు. Number 8, A7, which is equal to x comma y such that xy is equal to 1. X comma y such that xy is equal to 1. Number 9, A8 equal to x comma y such that y is greater x comma y such that x comma y belongs to. Simply we can say that x comma y belongs to Q and Q cross Q, right? Which is subset of R square. So ఇందులో ఏది కనెక్టెడ్ ఏది కాదు. And also ఇంకోటి ఉన్నాయి సార్. And also A9 equal to x by 1 plus x such that ఇంత నెక్స్ట్ చెప్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు వద్దులేండి. సో ఇవి చెప్పండి సార్. A1 is connected. So any line, any straight line is connected. Number 1, let straight line ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటాయి సార్? y is equal to mx plus c or x is equal to a అండి. ఈ ఫామ్ లో ఏదంటే x is equal to constant, right? Either y is equal to mx plus c or x is equal to a, right sir? x equal to 0 అయితే y is equal to c కూడా వస్తుంది. హలో, వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందా సార్? So is it connected or not? Now consider some S1 where S1 equal to x comma y sir, where y is equal to, suppose let y is equal to mx plus b the any line in R square. So y is equal to mx plus c such that x belongs to R. This is the set, right? Which is a subset of R square. which is the subset of R square. Now define a function. Now define a function f of x, f from R to, where here R, right, R to R square is such that f of x equal to x comma mx plus c and x comma mx plus c. Is this function is continuous since its component functions x f1 of x equal to x. Assume that this is f1 of x, right? f1 of x equal to x and f2 of x equal to mx plus c. So these two are continuous functions on R, right? Therefore f of x is also continuous. Therefore, which implies that f is continuous on R. Since the real number system R is connected, so f of R, where f of R, image of R under the function f is equal to s1, right? Right, sir? F of R is equal to s1. Therefore, image of R under the function f is equal to s1. Therefore, s1 is connected. Since continuous image of a connected set is connected, therefore s1 is connected. Therefore, every straight line, right, sir? X comma mx plus is nothing but a straight line in R square. Therefore, s1 is connected. Suppose assume that the given line is in the form x is equal to a and this is some L2, right? Therefore s1 star and something. So which is equal to x is equal to a and y is equal to y and such that y belongs to R. Such that y belongs to R. So now define a function f from R to R square is such that some g and g of y is equal to a comma y. A comma y. Therefore, since f1 equal to a and f2 is equal to y are continuous, therefore g of y is also continuous, which is continuous on R. Therefore, its image f of R equal to s1 star is connected. Since R is connected, right, sir? It is continuous on R and R is connected. Therefore, its image of a connected set is always connected. Therefore, this set is also connected. Therefore, every line in R square is connected. Is it okay? Every line in R square is connected. Next one. Number 2. S1. Sorry, A1 kada? A1. A1 equal to x comma y such that x square plus y square equal to 1. Okay. Now define a function. లేదు అంటే సింపుల్ సార్, ఇలా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. This is straight line, right? Circle with center 0, origin and radius is 1 only. So take any 2 points, then you can find a path which is entirely contained in it only. So ఏ 2 points అన్న తీసుకోండి సార్. మనం ఏ విధంగా ఒక పాత్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాం కదా. Therefore, this is path connected and implies that connected. So every path connected is connected and therefore this one is connected. లేదు అంటే by using continuous function image తీసుకుంటే, now define a function f of t which is equal to cos t comma sin t and where the function from f closure interval closure 0 open 2 pi and to then ki sir to r square f of 0 comma 2 pi to r square and right sir. So now therefore such that f of t is equal to cos t comma sin t. Therefore f of 0 comma 2 pi image of this one is equal to a1 అవుతుంది, right? Therefore This is it a continuous function since cos t is continuous and sin t is continuous only. Therefore, f of t is continuous on close to 0 open to pi, which is an interval of r, right? So it is connected. Therefore, closing to 0 comma 2 pi, 0 to pi is connected. Subset of r, right? Therefore, its image 0 to 2 pi, its image is equal to దీని యొక్క ఇమేజ్ ఏమవుతుంది సార్ దిస్ వన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 సార్ సో ఇమేజ్ ఆఫ్ 0 to 2 pi is always equal to this one, right, which is equal to a1, so which implies that a1 is connected. ఇందులో మీకు ఏ రీజన్ అనిపిస్తే తీసుకోండి సార్. What about next? Third one, a2 is equal to set of all x comma y ordered pairs such that a2
x greater than or equal to 1, y equal to 0, sir.
x greater than or equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. Then graph and sir actually x greater than or equal, this is 1, this is minus 1 and x greater than or equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 ante x axis kada. So from this point to this one, so which is a line which is greater than or equal to 1, right? So simple ga cheppalante function ఏ విధంగా డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం సార్. Suppose f is any function, domain in sir x is greater than or equal to 1 only, that means the domain is from 1 to infinity. 2 ఏ విధంగా డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం, 2 ఇక్కడ r square such that f of x is equal to x comma 0 లేదా f of t equal to t comma 0. f of t equal to t comma 0 గా డిఫైన్ చేస్తున్నాం. So the domain is 1 to infinity, therefore f of t equal to some x comma 0. So substitute చేస్తే x is greater than or equal to 1, therefore which is nothing but a2, image of this one equal to a2 అవుతుందండి, right? Such that f of 1 to infinity, close interval 1 to infinity, which is equal to a2, right sir? But this is a continuous function, therefore since f is continuous on 1 to infinity and the closure interval 1 to infinity is connected subset of R, which implies that its image f of 1 to infinity, which is equal to a2, which is equal to some x comma 0 such that x greater than or equal to 1 is connected. Is it okay? Next one, fourth one, ఎవరైనా ఫోటో తీసుకుంటారా సార్ ఇది if possible. Fourth one, a3 is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to sine 1 by x. So sine 1 by x is not defined at the point x equal to 0, that means here x is not equal to 0, right sir? So what is the domain? Domain of this one is minus infinity to 0 union 0 to infinity అండి కదా. సో నేను ఏ విధంగా డిఫైన్ చేసి లెట్ సమ్ g1 equal to x comma y such that y is equal to sine 1 by x if x is greater than 0 అనుకుంటున్నాను. Let g2 equal to x comma y such that y is equal to sine 1 by x such that x is less than 0. Since the domain is not connected అని అందుకే ఇలా స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నా. this one which is the domain of this function, right? So since at the point x equals 0 the given function is not defined, therefore r minus singleton 0 is the domain of this function. So r minus 0 is not connected, right? r minus 0 is not connected. కాబట్టి దీని యొక్క ఇమేజ్ కనెక్ట్ అవుతుందా లేదా చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం. So we cannot apply this theorem if x is not connected, right? Therefore actually ఇదేంటి సార్, దీని గ్రాఫ్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది? assume that this is 1, this is minus 1 అండి. So x is lies between, sin x value is always lies between minus 1 to plus 1, right? So దీని గ్రాఫ్ ఇలా వస్తుందండి. But it does not touches 0 on. So in exactly చేయలేకపోయాను. So sorry for that. So దీది దాని గ్రాఫ్ సార్, ఇక్కడ 0 తీసుకోదు, this point టచ్ చేయదు, this point is ఈ పాయింట్ తీసుకోదు సార్. సో -1 to +1 మధ్యన ఉంటున్నాయి, రైట్? సో దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్, ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ టు దిస్ పాయింట్, ఇక్కడికి స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నానండి. సో x is less than 0, this one, this is x less than 0 and this one is x greater than, sorry, x is greater than 0 and x is less than 0. Okay, two sets అవుతున్నాయి సార్. ఇది y axis is the partition for this set, that means x equal to 0 is the partition. ఈ పాయింట్ దగ్గర పార్టిషన్ చేస్తున్నాం సార్. therefore a3 can be written as a3 is equal to g1 union g2 sir, g1 union g2, right? And also we know that a3 intersection g1 which is equal to g1 వస్తుంది sir, which is non-empty set, right? And similarly a3 intersection g2 which is also non-empty, since a3 intersection g2 is nothing but g2 which is a non-empty set. But and also a3 intersection g1 intersection g2 which is equal to empty end. So by definition of disconnectedness the set a3 is disconnected. a3 is disconnected, right? Is it okay?
Okay sir.
Next one, fifth one ఏంటండి?
Mod x less than or equal to 1, mod
Therefore,
y less than or equal to 2 sir.
Okay, a4 equal to mod x comma y such that mod x is less than or equal to 1 and mod y is less than or equal to 2, which is closed and bounded and also compact కూడా అవుతుంది. This one is compact. ఎందుకు? mod x is less than or equal to 1 అంటే x is lies between -1 to +1 అండి, and y is lies between 1, this is 2, +2 to -2. సో వీటి మధ్యన ఉంటుంది, including boundaries also. So this one is closed and bounded and subset of R square, right? Therefore Euclidean space is closed and bounded subset of a Euclidean space is always compact. So it is compact good అవుతుంది. But and also connected and take any 2 points, so we can find a path. Take any 2 points on this, take any 2 points, then we can find a path, right sir? Therefore pathwise connected. Pathwise connected, which implies connected. So it is compact and also connected and also convex. And take any 2 points, we can find a straight line and straight line path find out చేస్తాం. ఏ 2 points తీసుకున్నాం. So and also convex. but this set is not convex. And take any 2 points on this set, we cannot find a straight line which is entirely contained in that set. So this straight line does not contains in this set, and so this set is not convex, but it is a pathwise connected. ఎక్కడ దాకా ఇన్ కేస్ 0 to infinity అయితే ఇక్కడ బ్రేక్ వచ్చింది, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో నాట్, ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకుంటే వి కెనాట్ ఫైండ్ ఏ పాత్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఎంటైర్లీ కంటెంట్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెట్. ఎందుకు జీరో ఈ రెండు సెట్లలో ఉండదు, సో ఇక్కడ డిస్కనెక్షన్ వస్తుంది సార్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో నాట్ పాత్ కనెక్టెడ్, బట్ ఇఫ్ ఎక్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 ఇచ్చిన అనుకోండి ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్, ఆర్ ఇఫ్ ఎక్స్ లెస్ దెన్ 0 ఇచ్చిన అనుకోండి ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్. G1 G2 are connected sets అండి. ఇక్కడ G1 and G2 are connected set, but G1 union G2 is not connected. Next one. A5 x comma y such that y is equal to plus or minus x. Is it connected? Y is equal to x line, and this one is y is equal to minus x line. Then split చేస్తున్నాను సార్ A5 ని, where A5 is equal to G1 union G2 అనుకుంటున్నాను, where G1 is nothing but x comma y such that y is equal to x line union x comma y such that y is equal to minus x line. అవునా? Is it okay, sir? So but
Okay,
we know
sir.
that every straight line is connected set, right? So this is G1 and this one is G2 only. So G1 is connected and G2 is also connected, since every straight line in R square is connected. And starting with Japan, here m is equal to 1, c is equal to 0, and here m is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 0. So G1 connected and G2 is connected. So union of two connected sets is also connected whenever their intersection is non-empty, and also G1 intersection G2 is equal to which are intersected at the point origin, therefore which is equal to 0 comma 0, and so which is non-empty, right sir? G1 intersection G2 is non-empty, therefore A5 is equal to G1 union G2 is connected. So union of two connected sets is also connected whenever their intersection is non-empty, right sir? Therefore A5 is equal to G1 and G2 is connected, and hence given set is connected, right? Seventh one, A6, which is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. ఇది డైరెక్ట్ చెప్పండి సార్, మీరు ఈజీగా చెప్పచ్చు. Is it connected?
కనెక్టెడా సార్?
డౌట్ వద్దండి, క్లారిటీగా చెప్పండి మేడం. No. సార్ ఇంతకు ముందు చెప్పిన అప్లికేషన్స్ సార్. Now define a function. Define a function f from R to R square is such that f of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square, is it continuous or not? It's continuous on whole real number system. So here f of x is nothing but y kada. So therefore f of r is nothing but image of this one emotu sir, x comma y, where y is equal to x square, x comma x square such that x belongs to r, which is nothing but a6 and right. Therefore f is continuous and r is connected, which implies that f of r equal to a6 is also connected. Simple sir, దీని గ్రాఫ్ ఏదైనా ఒక 2 పాయింట్స్ తీసుకోండి సార్, దీనిపైన పాత్ కనెక్టర్ అంటే సింపుల్గా ఉంటుంది మనకు. సో ఇదే పాత్ మీద రండి, వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఏ పాత్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఎంటైర్లీ కంటెంటెడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెట్. ఏ 2 పాయింట్స్ అన్నా తీసుకోండి సార్. సో వీ కెన్ ఫైండ్ ఏ పాత్ రైట్. ఏ 2 పాయింట్స్ అన్నా తీసుకోండి, ఇదొకటి ఇదొకటి. therefore we can find a path which is entirely contained in that, therefore which is pathwise connected. కర్వ్ ఉంది అంటే దట్ ఈస్ pathwise connected and disconnect లేకుండా. సో pathwise connected, every pathwise connected is connected. This is another definition, another way of proving it is connected, right sir. But it is not convex అండి. If you take any 2 points on this set, సో ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా పాత్ ఏ విధంగా ఉండాలి, స్ట్రేట్ లైన్ గానే ఉండాలండి కాన్వెక్స్ కావాలంటే. సో స్ట్రేట్ లైన్ అంటే దిస్ is a straight line, therefore this straight line is not contained in this set, right? So it is not convex, not convex, but it is path connected and ends connected. లేదు అంటే by definition image of a connected set is connected, therefore image of this set under the function f of x equal to x square is a6 and so r is connected, its image under the function f, continuous function f is connected, therefore it is connected. ఇలా అయినా చెప్పొచ్చు. Is it okay? Next question answer. Y is less than or equal to x square and దాంట్లో సబ్ పార్ట్స్ y is less than or equal to x square అంటే ఎట్లా వస్తుంది సార్? y is less than x square అంటే టేక్ ఎనీ x square అనేది డౌన్ సైడ్ వస్తుందా? y is less than x square అంటే టేక్ x is equal to 2 అయితే y is equal to 4 అండి. This is 4 right అంటే this part. This is y is less than or equal to x square region, right? This region, is it connected or not? Of course y is equal to x, take any 2 points, we can find a path, right, which is entirely contained in that set, therefore this one is also connected. And similarly y is greater than or equal to x square, in that case also this is connected. Adi, so y is greater than or equal to x square ante this part. So it is path connected, right? Take any 2 points, we can find a path. I'll take any 2 points, ఎలా తీసుకున్నా సరే సార్, we can find a path, right? Therefore path connected and hence connected. So y is equal to x square is connected, y is less than or equal to x square connected, y is greater than or equal to x square is connected, but this one is not convex. ఎందుకు? Take any 2 points on this set, so we cannot join by a straight line segment, right? So this ఈ part ఈ straight line మొత్తం అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి not convex. But is it convex? If you choose any 2 points, we can find a straight line. If you choose any 2 points, so this one is convex. So y is equal to x square is not convex, right? Y is less than or equal to x square is not convex, but y is greater than or equal to x square is convex. But and also connected. ఈ 3 కేసెస్లో కనెక్టెడ్ అవుతాయి. ఈ మూడిట్లో 2 నాట్ కాన్వెక్స్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ కాన్వెక్స్ అవుతుంది. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? సో మనకు కాన్వెక్స్ ఉందా లేదా సిలబస్లో లేదనుకుంటాం. మీకు కాన్వెక్స్ గురించి అయితే ఏం అడగదు సార్, బట్ మేబీ ఇట్ సిఎస్ఆర్లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది సార్. అక్కడ అడుగుతారు, ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, xy is equal to 1. ఇది క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 8 సార్. A7 is equal to x comma y such that xy is equal to 1 అండి. x comma y such that xy is equal to 1 sir. Is it convex? Is it connected? y is equal to 1 by x line అండి. So whenever x is greater than 0, 1 by x అంటే this is 1 comma 1. So it should be passes to 1 comma 1. So whenever x approaches to 0, sorry, whenever y approaches to 0, x approaches to infinity. Whenever x approaches to 0, y approaches to infinity. ఇలా వస్తుంది కదా. ఒకవేళ నెగిటివ్ అయితే ఇలా వస్తుందండి. So in this case, x less than 0, y is less than 0, this line. This is x positive, y positive. So assume that this is G1 and this one is G2. So A can be written as A7 equal to G1 union G2. లేదు అంటే పాత్ కనెక్టెడ్ కాదు సార్. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఎనీ 2 పాయింట్స్, ఒక పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నా, ఒక పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నానండి, we cannot find a path which is entirely contained in this set అండి. అది either straight line path or any other path, but it is not pathwise connected. కానీ pathwise connected కానంత మాత్రాన అది కనెక్టెడ్ అవుతుందా కాదా చెప్పలేం సార్. సో అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ pathwise connected and also not connected. ఎందుకు? if G1 equal to G1 union G2, A7 equal to G1 union G2, where G1 equal to x comma y such that xy is equal to 1 and x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, and G2 is equal to x comma y such that xy is equal to 1 and x less than 0 and y is also less than 0. In 2 cases, therefore in this case A7 equal to G1 union G2, right sir? Therefore and G1 intersection G2 equal to empty set, right? This one intersection this one is empty set. Therefore A7 intersection G1 is empty, non-empty, and A7 intersection G2 is non-empty, but A7 intersection G1 intersection G2, since this intersection is empty, so A7 intersection empty set is also empty. Therefore which shows that A7 is disconnected. Is it okay? Therefore A7 equal to x comma y such that xy is equal to 1 is disconnected. X comma y is disconnected. Next one, Q cross Q. That means A7, A8, A9, 10th one. So which is equal to A7, this is A8 and this is A9th one. is A8 equal to x comma y such that x comma y belongs to Q only. That means Q cross Q, which is subset of R square. So set of all rational numbers అండి in R square ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి సార్? సో లైక్ దిస్ పాయింట్స్ అండి, జస్ట్ పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఎందుకంటే మధ్యలో ఇన్ఫినిట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఇరేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతాయి. సో డాటెడ్ అంటే ఎవ్రీ పాయింట్ ఇస్ మధ్యన గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది, అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ పాయింట్, రైట్? సో టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ అండి, సేమ్ ఫిల్ ఇట్. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి సార్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ కనెక్టెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? Of course, the rational number system is not connected, right? The rational number system is not connected. Similarly, same formula. Q ni connected అవుతుందా లేదంటే -infinity to √2 cross √2 to -infinity is a disconnection for the rational numbers, right? Therefore, Q is not connected, and Q cross Q is also not connected. Q cross Q is also not connected, since it is also not path connected. It is also not path connected. Path connected are Q cross Q. So Q cross Q is not connected, since దీనికి ఒక నోట్ ఉందండి, the complement of, important one, the complement of countable set, complement of countable set in Rn, where n is greater than 1 or n is greater than or equal to 2. The complement of a countable set in Rn is connected, and the countable set is, and also the countable set in Rn is not connected. So the complement of countable set in Rn is connected, and hence the complement of Q cross Q is connected, but Q cross Q is not connected. Next one, which one of the following are connected? Subset of R square. Number 1, complement of R and R square. Complement of single term 0. Number 2, complement of 0, 0. Number 3, complement of Q cross Q. Number 4, complement of Z cross Z. Number 5, complement of N cross N. చెప్పండి సార్. Complement of 0, 0 in R square, since 0 is a subset of R, right? Complement of 0 ఏమవుతుంది సార్? హలో, వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందండి? So what is the complement of 0?
R minus 0, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Complement of 0 is nothing but r minus singleton 0, which is equal to minus infinity to 0 union 0 to infinity. Is it connected?
No, sir. R minus 0 not connected.
R minus 0 is not connected. So, which implies this is the disconnection, right? This one open. These are connected sets and their intersection is non-zero, non-empty, empty. Therefore, it is disconnected. So, is disconnected. Right? That means complement of a singleton 0 is a finite set, right? Singleton 0 is a finite set, therefore, which is countable. Every finite set is countable, right? Therefore, complement of a countable set in R is not connected. But the complement of a finite set or countable set in Rn, where n is greater than 1, is always connected. ఇది అందుకే ఆర్ పైన కాదండి, ఇది కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ కౌంటబుల్ సెట్ is not connected in R, but in Rn it is connected always. కాబట్టి చూడండి, కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ 0 అండి in R square. Complement of origin 0, 0 is nothing but R square minus 0, 0 అండి. అంటే this one, ఇది ఇక్కడ హోల్ డిస్క్ ఎంటైర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ పైన ఓన్లీ ఆరిజిన్ మాత్రమే లేదు. సో if you take any 2 points, then we can find a path. ఇక్కడ తీసుకోండి and ఇక్కడ తీసుకోండి. So for every 2 points we can find a path. That path is entirely contained in R square minus 0. Therefore, and hence it is path connected. Therefore, connected. Since every path connected set is connected, therefore which is connected. Right, sir? Therefore, complement of singleton 0 is a finite set which is countable. Therefore, complement of a countable set is connected always in Rn. Therefore, here q cross q is countable subset of R square, right? Therefore, complement of q cross q is connected. Similarly, z is connected. Z is countable. Z cross z is also countable. Therefore, complement of z cross z is also connected. And complement of n cross n is also connected. Complement of n cross n ante this is something but R square minus n square, right, sir? So n square ante z square తీసుకోండి. So 0 అన్ని ఉంటాయి. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Therefore, ఇది 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So these points are, these are n cross n, z cross z kada. These points are z cross z points. ఈ points are 0 కూడా ఉంది, 0, 0, 1, 3. So these points. So if you take any 2 points in a R square minus z square, this is z square. Nice. Take any 2 points, we can find a path which is entirely either in 2 points this one is, take any 2 points, this one and this one, we can find a path, right? Take any 2 points in this, therefore which is does not subset of this one, we can find a path which is entirely contained in R square minus z square, sir, and hence it is path connected and implies that connected. Similar argument for r square minus n and r square minus q square, right? Is it okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one. Important theorem. A metric space.
సార్ ఎన్ క్రాస్ ఎన్ కూడా సేమ్ ఇదేనా సార్?
Same
పాజిటివ్
అదే.
సైడ్.
పాజిటివ్ ఈ సైడ్ ఉండదు మేడం, అప్పుడు ఈ సైడ్ ఉండదు, ఇది ఓన్లీ దిస్ సైడ్
Side.
ఉంటుంది. సేమ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్. ఏ
Okay,
మెట్రిక్
sir.
స్పేస్ capital X is connected if and only if there exists a continuous function. If and only if there exists a continuous function on X to the discrete two-point set. Discrete two-point set. Two-point space 1 comma minus 1 is a constant function. There exists a constant continuous function on X is a constant. Statement correct. A metric space X is connected. There exists one other. So if and only if every continuous function. So every continuous function on X to the discrete two-point space 1 comma minus 1 is always constant. Okay. ఒకవేళ X అనేది కనెక్టెడ్ అయిందనుకోండి, suppose if X to R is any X to some two-point discrete space 0 comma 1 is continuous, and if X is connected, then f of X should be equal to either 0 or 1. 0 comma 1 కాకపోతే ఇంకా ఏదైనా తీసుకోండి సార్, 2 పాయింట్స్ A comma B. So f of X should be A or 1. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటే తీసుకో. That means f is constant. Then f of X is constant, where k is equal to either 0 or 1. For all X belongs to capital X. For all X belongs to capital X. Then proof. Let capital X be the connected set and y is equal to 0 comma 1 be the discrete metric space with 2, right? 0 comma 1 be the discrete metric space. Then assume that, if possible, assume that f is not constant. If possible, assume that f is not constant. F is not constant, right? Therefore f is not constant అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇమేజ్ కోడొమైన్ లో ఓన్లీ 2 పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్. f is not constant అంటే f takes these 2 points, right? That means the given function, the continuous function is on 2, right? Therefore which implies that f x2 0 comma 1 is continuous and on 2, right? F is continuous and on 2. Now assume that A be the set such that inverse image of 0. Since y is a discrete metric, right? Therefore every singleton set is an open set as well as closed set. And therefore singleton 0 is an open set and singleton 1 is an open set, and f is continuous. Its inverse image f inverse of 0 is equal to A, so is also open set. So f inverse of 0 is equal to A, and assume that B is equal to f inverse of 1. B is equal to f inverse of 1, right sir? So f inverse of 0 and f inverse of 1 both are fibers of 0 and 1, right sir? Fibers of 0 and 1. So the distinct fibers is always distinct, right sir? Therefore then A and B are disjoint non-empty open sets. disjoint non-empty open sets is such that all space X equal to A union, all space X equal to A union B of X such that X is equal to A union B. And since X is a non-2 kada, so F is a continuous function, therefore image of these two is partitions of X, right? Therefore X is equal to A union B, but A and B are open sets and A intersection B is empty, and A intersection B, disjoint open sets or disjoint closed sets is always separated, right? Therefore A and B are separated sets, and which can be written as union of two separated sets, right? Therefore which implies that X is disconnected. Is it possible? So which is a contradiction since X is connected, right? Therefore our assumption that F is not constant is wrong, right sir? So our assumption that F is not constant is wrong, therefore F should be constant, therefore F of X is constant, which implies that F of X equal to K, where K is any constant for all X belongs to capital X. Is it okay? Next one. This one is also important. A metric space capital X statements are got to be defined. A metric space capital X is disconnected. Capital X is disconnected if and only if there exists a continuous function. There exists a continuous function on X. There exists a continuous function X, X onto 2-point discrete space. Two-point discrete space. X disconnected kavalante, then there exists a continuous function from X to 2-point discrete space. So which is an onto function. There exists an onto continuous function such that if X2 2-point discrete space is not constant, that means some points ki adi 0 తీసుకుంటుంది, some points ki 1 తీసుకుంటుంది. In that case the given set X is, the domain set is disconnected అవుతుందండి. This is if and only if condition. ఒకవేళ ఇలాంటి ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితే then it is disconnected. If it is disconnected then there exists such function. Okay sir. Next one. Which of the following is not a continuous image of the real line. Options are open interval 0, 1. Option B, the closed interval 0, 1. Option C, the subspace X such that 0 is less than mod X is less than 1. And option D, the subspace X belongs to R such that X is greater than 0. Anyone please? This is open interval. Hello? F R to some set S, where S may be one of these, right, is continuous, which implies that F of R, since R is connected, right, so F of R should be connected. F of R is also connected. So in the connected set which is not a continuous image అన్నాడు. కాబట్టి కనెక్టెడ్ సెట్ కాని సెట్ ఏది ఉందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి సార్. సో ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ కనెక్టెడ్, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ ది ఆన్సర్. O closed interval is also connected, so which is not the answer. What about these two? Sir, silent గా ఉండడం కష్టం సార్. ఆన్సర్ ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పండి.
ఆప్షన్ సి సార్.
సో 0 less than mod x less than 1, అదే ఎందుకు మేడం? Why it is not connected?
దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాత్ కనెక్టెడ్ అనుకుంటా సార్ అది.
ఇంటర్వెల్ కాబట్టి కనెక్టెడ్. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఏ ఇంటర్వెల్? x greater than
No
0.
sir, that is not interval. X greater than 0, it is path connected sir. Path connected అయినా కనెక్టెడ్ అవుతుంది.
ఇది సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ మేడం. సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ కాబట్టి ఇంటర్వెల్ అయితే ఎనఫ్ అండి కనెక్టెడ్. కాబట్టి పాత్ కనెక్టెడ్ అవసరం లేదు. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాత్ కనెక్టెడ్, బట్ 0 to infinity. X is greater than 0 అంటే 0 to infinity అండి, రైట్? సో
Yes,
set
sir.
of all positive real numbers, which is also an interval, therefore connected. But what about this one? 0 less than mod x less than 1 అండి. సపోజ్ y is equal to mod x అనుకోండి. సో y is equal to mod x అంటే ఓకే మేడం. సో y is equal to mod x 1 తీసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ mod x is less than 1 కదా. mod x is less than 1 అంటే 1 తీసుకోండి. దీని యొక్క ఇమేజెస్ ఏమవుతాయి? -1 +1 అంటే. సో mod x less than 1 అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి మేడం? -∞ to -1 అండి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ c is nothing but x such that 0 is less than mod x is less than 1 అండి. దీని యొక్క ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ ఏమొస్తుంది? mod x is less than 1 ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందండి? 0 to 1 మధ్యన ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది? -∞ to -1 వస్తుందా? సారీ, -1 to 0 యూనియన్ 0 to 1 కదా. సో లెస్ దెన్ 1 అంటే ఈ పార్ట్ -1 to 0, 0 తీసుకోవట్లేదు సార్ ఇక్కడ. కాబట్టి -1 to 0 ఇక్కడ 0 డిలీట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో -1 to 0 యూనియన్ 0 to 1 అండి. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అన్ ఇంటర్వెల్. ఎందుకు? 0 అనేది దీంట్లో ఉండట్లేదు సార్. నాట్ అన్ ఇంటర్వెల్, సో నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్, రైట్ సార్? లేదు అంటే దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఓపెన్ సెట్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ డిజైన్, దేర్ ఫోర్ ఓపెన్ సెట్స్ డిజైన్ సెట్స్ గా రాస్తున్నాం అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ డిస్కనెక్షన్ ఫర్ ద సెట్ ఎక్స్ అండి. సో నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్. సో ఆర్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి కనెక్టెడ్ అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా ఇంటర్వెల్ అయి ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అన్ ఇంటర్వెల్, దేర్ ఫోర్ నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్. దేర్ ఫోర్ నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్. ఎందుకు? సిన్స్ 0 does not belongs to this set. Some A3 అనండి. 0 is lies between -1 to 1 అండి. బట్ 0 does not belongs to A3. ఇంటర్వెల్ కావాలంటే ఏం కావాలి సార్? సపోజ్ A, B belongs to S and S is said to be an interval అంటే if A is less than B అయింది అనుకోండి, between any two real numbers there exists infinitely many real numbers, right? So there exists a number x lies between A and B. If x is also belongs to S అయింది అనుకోండి, then S is said to be interval. If x does not belong to S అయితే then S is not an interval అండి. So -0.5 plus 0.5 belongs to A3, but దాని మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి 0 does not belong to A3 అండి. therefore A3 is not an interval, right? therefore interval కావట్లేదు అంటే then it is not connected.
సార్ ఒకసారి ఆప్షన్ ఏ చెప్తారా సార్?
మేడం
ఆప్షన్ ఏ సార్, అది ఇంటర్వెల్ ఎలా అయిందని.
ఇది ఇంటర్వెల్ కదండి, ఇది ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ కదా మేడం.
ఎస్ సార్, అంటే 0 డస్ నాట్ బిలాంగ్ టు దట్ సెట్ కదా.
ఏంటి మేడం?
0 డస్ నాట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు దట్ సెట్ కదా సార్.
జీరోతో అవసరం లేదు మేడం. ఎవ్రీ ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఆర్ ఎవ్రీ క్లోజ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ కనెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
ఇక్కడ ఇమేజ్ గురించి అవసరం లేదు, మనకు ఫంక్షన్ ఏదైనా కావచ్చు, బట్ ఐదర్ ఓపెన్ ఆర్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఆర్ ఓపెన్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఏదైనా సరే మేడం, ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఆర్ నాట్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇంటర్వెల్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్.
యూనియన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే చూసుకోవాలా సార్, అది బిలాంగ్స్ టు అవుతుందా కాదా అని?
యూనియన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ మేడం. యూనియన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ అంటే మనం స్పేస్ ని బట్టి డిసైడ్ చేస్తాం మేడం. ఆ స్పేస్ ఏంటనేది బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇది సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, దీని ప్రాపర్టీస్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. ఇవి సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ అయింది అనుకోండి, ఇంటర్వెల్ అయితే కనెక్టెడ్, మనం ఇంకా వేరే ఆలోచించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ద సెట్ x by x plus 1 such that -1 less than x is less than 1 is, options are compact and connected. Option B, compact but not connected. Option C, not compact but connected. Option D, neither compact nor connected.
ఆప్షన్ సి సార్. సి సార్, నాట్ కాంపాక్ట్ కనెక్టెడ్.
అదే ఎందుకు మేడం?
క్లోజ్డ్ అండ్ బౌండెడ్ కాదు కదా సార్, అందుకే నాట్ కాంపాక్ట్.
ఓకే, బౌండెడ్ కాదా మేడం ఇది?
ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ అవ్వట్లేదు కదా సార్, బౌండెడ్.
Suppose it is bounded madam, but not closed. So is it connected?
It is not compact and not connected, sir.
Madam, దీన్ని రెండు రకాలుగా చేయొచ్చండి. For example, number 1, f of x is defined as f of r to r. So sorry, f is a function from -1 domain into -1 to +1 and open interval -1 to 1 to r such that r square define చేసుకోండి. f of x is equal to x comma x by x plus 1. f of x equal to x comma x by x plus 1. ఇప్పుడు f of some g of x equal to x by x plus 1 is continuous or not? Domain is -1 to +1. Continuous అవుతుంది కదా? Is it continuous or not? It is a continuous function, right? Therefore x by x plus 1 is continuous on this domain, and also x is also continuous. Therefore f of x equal to x comma x by x plus 1 is also continuous function. Therefore its image of -1 comma 1 under the function f is equal to this set, right? So
సార్ అక్కడ ఒకవేళ మనకి లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉంటే అది నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్ అవుతుందా సార్?
లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ డిఫైనే కాదు మేడం, కాబట్టి అలా ఇవ్వరు.
అదే ఆ కేసులో మనకు కాదు కదా,
నాట్ కంటిన్యూస్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ కనెక్టెడ్ అండి. లేదు అంటే దీని యొక్క మామూలుగా సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ గా తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ లెస్ దెన్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 కదా, విచ్ ఇంప్లైస్ దట్ ఎక్స్ బై ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ లెస్ దెన్ 1 అండి ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ఎక్స్. లేదు అంటే సపోజ్ given that the domain is -1 less than x is less than 1 and so now add 1 on both sides. 1 minus 1 less than x is less than 1, 1 plus 1, right? Therefore 0 is less than x is less than 2. సో 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ కదా, ఇక్కడ 1, ఇక్కడ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్, ఇలా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. 1 minus 1 is less than 1 plus x is less than 1 plus 1, which implies that 0 is less than 1 plus x, which is less than 2. Now reverse the inequality. 0, 1 by 0 అంటే infinity అండి. Infinity is greater than 1 by 1 plus x. So which is greater than 1 by 2 అండి. So reverse the inequality. 1 by 2 is less than 1 by 1 plus x is less than infinity అండి. So but we know that x is lies between -1 to 1 madam. X is lies between -1 to 1 అంటే 1 by 1 plus 6 is positive, right? ఇది ఎలా చేస్తామండి? సో therefore which implies that x తో యాడ్ చేసినా కూడా దీని యొక్క ఇమేజ్ ఏమొస్తుందండి? -1 to 1 ఉంది. సో 1 by 2 is less than x by 1 plus x is less than infinity అంటున్నాను. Is it right or wrong? Since x by x plus 1, మీరు x is equal to -1 తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, x is equal to +1 తీసుకుంటే ఎంత వస్తుందండి? 1 by 2. The least one is 1 by 2 కదా. So whenever x is equal to 1, it takes minimum value. Whenever x is equal to -1, it takes maximum value. That is infinity. Therefore 1 by 2 is less than x by 1 plus x is less than infinity, sir. Right? Therefore this is nothing but 1 by 2 to infinity. Right? The range of this function equal to 1 by 2 to infinity, which is an interval. So ion is connected. ఇలా కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు, లేదా మీరు ఇలా అయినా చెప్పొచ్చు అండి ఫంక్షన్ రూపంలో. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? సో బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కాంపాక్ట్ అండి. ఎందుకు? ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ క్లోజ్డ్ అండి. 1 by 2ని తీసుకోదు, 1 by 2ని తీసుకోదు సార్. సో విచ్ ఈస్ అన్ క్లోజ్డ్, దిస్ ఈస్ 1 by 2 to infinity interval, right sir? So which is an open interval and also not bounded. So open and also bounded, sorry, unbounded, therefore not compact, and also and connected, therefore not compact and connected. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Next one, the set x square by 1 plus x square such that x belongs to R. Here domain is R and domain is R. Is it well defined or not? So now define a function f of x from R to R. Now define a function f R to R square is such that f of x equal to x comma x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, if the graph is continuous, connected అయితే then automatically this function is also connected అవుతుంది కదా. Therefore such that the domain is x belongs to R. So is it continuous or not? From R to R square, since f of x equal to x is continuous, x square by 1 plus x square is also continuous, since x square plus 1 is never equal to 0 for any real number, for all x belongs to R, right? So therefore it is well defined. Therefore x square by 1 plus x square is also continuous. Therefore this one continuous, this one continuous, therefore the total function is also continuous. Therefore but the domain R is continuous, connected, therefore its image this one, therefore f of R is equal to x comma x square by 1 plus x square such that x belongs to R is connected. So whenever this one is connected, this one is also connected. Therefore, x square by 1 plus x square such that x belongs to R square is connected. If you treat this one as a subset of R, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సార్? ఇంటర్వెల్గా తీసుకోండి. ఏదైనా తీసుకుంటాం. So we know that x square is always less than 1 plus x square, right? 1 plus x square. Therefore, x square by 1 plus x square is less than 1. Right, sir? So, and also, x is domain in the 0 less than x less than infinity and then square చేస్తే negatives తీసుకోవచ్చు కాబట్టి 0 is less than x is 0 తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than infinity, x square. Right, sir? 0 to x square మధ్య. So therefore x square by 1 plus x square అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది సార్? So x square by 1 plus x square is always less than 1. Therefore whenever x is equal to 0 తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు 0 ని తీసుకుంటుంది. Therefore this function is lies between 0 is less than or equal to x square by 1 plus x square, which is less than 1. Which is less than 1 for every x belongs to R. Therefore which is nothing but closed 0, open 1. So which is an interval, right? So which is an interval which implies that connectedness, connected, but it is not closed. It is not closed. So implies the and not closed and bounded. Therefore not compact. Right, sir? So this set is not compact, but connected. And also not open and not closed, not open. ఎందుకు open closed set. So 0 is not an interior point, therefore it is not open. 1 is not the limit point, which is not belongs to this set, therefore it is not closed set. Therefore not compact, not, and also not open. So the